Hello, I'm Chef Annie Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make banga soup with goat meat. As always, I have my cam all-purpose seasoning amongst other ingredients. I add a teaspoon of cam all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, cook for 45 minutes. I add the already processed kernel extract. Then I add some smoked fish, a teaspoon of dried chili, a teaspoon of Banga Spice, a teaspoon of Banga leaves, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix together and allow to boil for about 20 minutes. Remember, the kernel extract is already processed. That's it. You can have it with rice, swallow, or any sides of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please come back again for another episode. If it looks good, eat it.